How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to be taking off the ETS V2 exhaust. We're going to actually be installing a new exhaust. It's going to be the Invidia N1. So that bolt on that V-clamp was seized up, so we're going to have to turn that into a liquid. And then moving a little bit further, right where the joint is, those same thing, we have to turn those into a liquid, and there we go. Shop, because no matter how much elbow grease I had, they were not coming off. And that sound right there is the sound of freedom. Once it got turned into a liquid state, it was a lot easier to take off. We ended up having to do it for the other side as well. It's just the nature of living in the Northeast. Since my SD card corrupted, I could not save the videos where we took off the mid pipe. But here we ended up just seeing him clean up. I ended up taking off the mufflers in the back. The install video was also corrupted, but here is the final product. It was a lot easier to put on. Overall, the process just took us about like half an hour. It really didn't take us much to get done, which I'm really glad. I really like how it came out. It's really nice. It's centered, not touching the bumper at all, which is really good. So here it is. Overall, I am really happy with the installation of the new exhaust. It sounds really nice, really clean, which is what I was going for. Well, that wraps up today's video, and once again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing if you already haven't. It really does help me out a lot, and peace.